Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Overall, I would say pretty good day for the markets. Yeah, we were weak for a good chunk of the day, but it was a playable dip. We didn't see too much panic selling, heavy selling. It looked like, a profit taking type of pullback, and we saw buyers come in a few different ways when we got down low intraday. And that's all you can ask for. The market's resting while we're under 52-week highs. And we've been stretched and we've been overbought. And so, to go sideways for a little bit is okay. We probably need to do that to build up some gas. Now, for the most part, this market doesn't tend to go sideways, though. The one thing we got to really be aware of is that, it seems to move, straight up in an elevator, up and down. We very rarely do we just flag. So that's something that I have in the back of my mind is, we don't want to get to that point where we start cracking levels of support. But I think as long as we hold above, 1450 or so, I'm in the bullish camp for now, and we'll take it from there. Let's take a look at the watch list. I like this Abio stock. A lot of these penny stocks have been going. This one is dirt cheap. It was a $2 stock, and it's been just chilling here, flagging down the 40-cent range. I definitely like this. I think it breaks over the 200-day moving average. PRMW, same thing here. We've been just ranging here in this 125 zone for a while, watching for a break over that. Moby, this one I like the location on it. It's just sitting here. We could probably put a stop right under $2. I mean, we're starting to see a lot of China stocks go. I mean, Dangwen, Ren, right? A lot of these turdy Chinas that hadn't moved in a long time are starting to go, and I think Moby might be the next one. PPHM, I suspect this will still be in play tomorrow. We'll watch for a morning washout to see if there's anything that comes out of it. Rediff, liking the location right here, right above support, as long as it can hold 3. Stiffy's got a similar look to it also. Fro, if shippers start picking up, love the location here, just resting on the 20 and 50-day moving average, right on support. It's just an easy place where you can put a stop. ROSG, every day it starts perking up a little bit and then it fades, but it looks to me like it's gearing for a run here. Especially when we kind of break and hold 5. I think that's going to be the spot where we really see some buyers start emerge and it can hold its gains because it's usually a pop and fader. Historically, at least intraday, unless it's having a multi-day run, it's a pop and fade type of stock. And so we need to see break over 5 and really hold there. I think that then it's going to have some potential. BYD, looking, for it to come out of this flag, above 7. I like the location on it. It's just it had a rest date today, but I think it's got some legs to it. MCP closed right on highs today after a real weird shakeout intraday in the morning where it just it opened up strong and then totally wiped out and then ended the day and made a really nice run. And you can see here we've got a range here, so I'll be looking for a weak open and then boom, like a red to green and then a break of this high. And I think that we've got basically looks like kind of like an inverse head and shoulders type of pattern here. I really like the look of it, and this is a great trading stock. It's liquid, it's volatile. You can go long it, you can go short it. There's always multiple plays in this stock intraday as it moves really well. And then I'm still eyeballing HLF. I think that this one's run up is probably over for the short term, and I almost took a crack at it today, but I just kind of missed the entry. So I'll keep an eye on it tomorrow. Watch a lot of these penny stocks. Something like a Pure that's sitting on a bottom. Something like this can go for like a tax loss selling play. All these little turds are just flying around. What would be another one? Like maybe Mela. This one's on a dead bottom also. Pure Mela. Let me think off the top of my head. What would be another good one? PRMW, Moby. Maybe DCTH, something like this. These stocks, traders are pushing up anything that's near a bottom right now. And so these are the type of stocks you want to keep on your watch list. And if you start to see a couple buyers emerge, like a CYTR today, when it breaks its range, they can really go. So I just keep an eyeball on those. Pennies are tough to play, but they are flying right now. And, you got to stick with what's moving. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care and have a good one.